With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Our question is, which of the following involves redox reaction? First is decomposition of calcium carbonate, second is rusting, third is reaction of NaOH with HCl, and fourth is zinc is forming zinc 2 positive with loss of 2 electrons. So first of all, we'll see what are redox reactions, right? Then only we would be able to see that which amongst these following is an example of redox reaction. So redox reaction is the one in which the oxidation, both the oxidation and reduction takes place in the same reaction, right? Now what is oxidation? Oxidation is loss of electron, and what is reduction? Reduction is gain of electron. So if we look at our first option, that is the decomposition of calcium carbonate. What happens when it decomposes? When we heat calcium carbonate, we get calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. In case of calcium carbonate, calcium is having +2 oxidation number. This is carbonate ion, right? Because this is whole 2 negative. But carbon over here would have +4 oxidation number because oxygen would have -2, right? We can also find out the oxidation number of carbon. For example, this is +2, right? And then we have 3 oxygen, that is showing -2. This would be +x, this would be equal to 0 because there is no charge on the species as such. So this would be what? X would be equal to 6 minus 2, that is equal to +4. Over here we have calcium oxide, oxygen would have -2 oxidation state and calcium would have +2. In carbon dioxide, again 2 oxygen having -2 oxidation state, so carbon would have +4. Now in this case, calcium is remaining +2 only, carbon is going from +4 to +4, right? That means the oxidation state is remaining same. And in oxygen also the oxidation number is -2, and here also we have -2. That means there is no change in oxidation number. And whenever there is oxidation and reduction, there is always a change in oxidation number. So no change in oxidation number, that means no redox reaction, right? So this is not our option. Then the second is rusting. Rusting of iron is what? When iron 2 positive, right, reacts with oxygen and the moisture of the environment to form Fe2O3 and 4H positive ions, right? Over here this is what? Iron is 2 positive. Over here oxygen would be -2 and iron would be +3, right? Oxygen is present in elemental form, so its oxidation number would be 0. In water we have H present as +1 and oxygen would have -2 oxidation number. If over here we look at iron is going from +2 to +3. This is what? This is our oxidation because it is losing electrons, and oxygen is going from 0 to -2. This is gaining electrons, so this is what? This is reduction, right? We have change in oxidation numbers over here. We have both oxidation and reduction taking place in a same reaction, so this is our redox reaction. Then if we talk about third, reaction of NaOH with HCl. Now NaOH, when reacts with HCl, it forms NaCl and water. Now in this case, sodium is +1, OH negative is -1. Individually oxygen would have -2 and hydrogen would have +1 oxidation number. Then in case of HCl, H is present as +1, chlorine is present as -1. Sodium again +1, chlorine -1. In case of water, oxygen would be -2 and this would be +1. So if we look at sodium, no change in oxidation number. Oxygen, no change in oxidation number. Hydrogen, no change in oxidation number. So that means this is also not our redox reaction. Then in the fourth case, we are given zinc is losing 2 electrons and forming zinc 2 positive, right? Now over here zinc is losing electron, right? So only there is loss of electrons, that means only oxidation is taking place, there is no reduction over here, so this won't be our redox reaction. So the only option that is an example of redox reaction is our second, that is the rusting. So our answer to this question would be 2.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.